I'm reviewing the cup holders for the doors of a 2013 Dodge Ram. I bought these for my father because these, when his center console is up in the middle seat of his truck, he has no place to put his cups, so he wanted to put these in the door. And so these were really great quality. They're made out of a nice foam, and each of them are labeled. That was the left-handed one, and then this is the right-handed one. And they are made of it's like a nice soft foam, very pliable. You could probably fit different size cups in here. So it's also hand wash, so make sure you hand wash only. So now we're going to go ahead and add it in the truck. These fit in nice and snug. They were of great quality, easy to take in and out. Here is showing what size cups fit in here. And then you'll be able to hear my father's response on the quality of them because he used to work in a dealership and he has seen these a time or two. So that's why he went with these, so you can hear him here.
These are actually nicer than the original Chrysler ones. They got a smooth outside. The other ones had like a kind of a coarse, just plain rubber outside.
So we definitely love these. We highly recommend it, and they're of great quality. So these should last a while.